Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Emirates NBD how to check balance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to check your balance on Emirates NBD, the fastest way is by simply downloading the Emirates NBD application. So simply head over to your app store, then on the search bar type in ENBDX. Then this is the app that you want. All you gotta do is tap on the get button and simply follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once downloaded, log in using your username, password and smart pass. Your account balance appears on the main screen under your account name. You can also see recent transactions as well. And the next method is by heading over and opening up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in login.emiratesnbd.bank.in. Then once you enter that, you will be prompted to the login page of the Emirates NBD. All you gotta do now is enter in your username, then your password, and then simply tap on login. Once logged in, what you need to do is select accounts, and your balance and transactions are displayed there. Next method that you can use is by phone. Simply dial 600540000 within UAE and dial +971 600540000 outside UAE and follow the instructions to check your balance automatically or speak to a representative. You can also simply visit an Emirates NBD ATM as well. Insert your debit card and enter your PIN and choose balance inquiry to see your available balance. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.